Welcome to English Speedcast.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit.
Thank you. The train is very crowded today.
Yes, maybe because of the weekend.
True. By the way, my name is Aiden.
Nice to meet you, Aiden. I'm Sofia.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia. Are you traveling far?
Yes, I'm going to the mountain town.
Oh, really? Me too.
Wow, that's nice. Maybe we will be on this train together for a long time.
Yes, it's a long journey. I'm happy to have someone to talk with.
Me too. Long train rides feel better with good company.
So, are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am. I usually travel alone for my work.
Oh, what work do you do?
I'm a photographer. I take photos of nature, people, culture, many things.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, I enjoy it. And you? Why are you traveling alone?
I wanted a break from my busy life.
I understand. Life can get heavy sometimes.
Yes, I wanted quiet time. Just me and the mountains.
That sounds peaceful.
I hope this journey helps me clear my mind.
You said your life is busy. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and a younger sister.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yes, but sometimes it's too much noise. Everyone has their own problems.
I see.
My father works a lot. My mother worries about everything.
Parents usually do.
And my sister is in college. She talks non-stop.
Sounds like a lively home.
Yes, but I needed a break.
Then this journey is good for you.
Yes. Maybe after this trip I will feel lighter. So, Sophia, why photography?
I think because it helps me see beauty in small things.
That's beautiful.
When I was young, my father gave me a small camera.
Oh,
I started taking photos of flowers, animals, and the sky. I never stopped.
you followed your heart.
Yes. Photography is like my voice. I tell stories without words.
That's very deep.
Thank you. Look, the mountains are getting closer.
Wow, so peaceful. You must have traveled a lot.
Yes, many places. I went to small villages, deserts, and islands.
Which place was your favorite?
A small island in Greece.
Why that place?
The water was so blue, and the people were kind.
Sounds perfect.
And you? Have you traveled before?
Not much, just a few cities.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Maybe this journey will be the start for me.
I hope so. I love trying new food.
Me too. What's the best food you tried?
In Thailand, mango sticky rice.
I've heard of that.
Sweet, soft, beautiful.
Now I want to try it.
You should.
I like exploring cultures too.
Travel is the best teacher.
Yes. When you meet new people, you understand life better.
True. Every place has a story.
And this train journey?
Yes?
Maybe this will be a story too.
Yes. Maybe. Aiden, can I ask something?
Sure.
What scares you in life?
Maybe failing. Not making my family proud.
That's a common fear.
What about you?
I fear missing moments, missing a chance to capture something beautiful.
You want to hold memories.
Yes, life moves fast.
True.
But I've learned one thing.
What is that?
Not every moment needs to be perfect.
Yes, sometimes simple is enough.
Exactly.
Where do you want to go next?
Japan, for cherry blossoms.
That would be amazing.
And you?
Maybe Switzerland. The mountains look magical.
Oh, yes. I want to photograph them one day.
Maybe you will.
I hope so.
And maybe I will travel more too.
I think you will. You have a traveler's heart. Look, the sun is setting.
The sky is orange. So beautiful.
I love moments like this.
Me too.
Sometimes silence speaks more than words.
Yes. This silence feels peaceful. I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. It made the long journey feel short.
You inspired me to travel more.
And you reminded me to slow down sometimes.
Maybe we'll meet again someday.
Maybe. The world is small.
I think we're almost there.
Yes. Let's get ready.
Safe journey, Sofia.
Safe journey, Aiden, and enjoy the mountains.
I will.